Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the camera record slow-mo at 120 FPS or 240 FPS at 1080p HD on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Camera. Then in the camera settings, go down and tap on Record Slow-Mo. And in here you can choose between 120 FPS or 240 FPS. Now say that a minute of slow-mo will be approximately 170 megabyte with 1080p HD at 120 FPS, and it will use up 480 megabyte at 240 FPS. So select one of the options, and then you can tap on the back key at the top to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.